Yang batu nah biar awet di dalam.
Okay, here we go.
Aquanya teh pucuk 5.000-an, yang haus 5.000-an.
Okay. Okay, here's where I can pedal now without too much problem. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay, a lot of water. Let's see if I can do this without dying. Okay, here we go. Okay. I can still use air on these tires, but let's see. It's kind of rolling kind of low there. But this time, it's a little bit more work pedaling. Okay. National Monument. Okay. Might get lucky and find a pump. Wait. I just passed probably the pump station. Looks like another person bicycling this way with their cell phone going too. It's mutual. Well, maybe. Good. Excellent. The train station should be on my right. Bump. Well, it's all bump. You kid yourself. Sunday morning here in Jakarta this is what I want to do. Have this. Might be a pump in here. Rental bicycle rental. Good. Maybe over by those red tents I'll find a pump station. Bicycle station. Or if I don't, that's okay too. I'll just keep pedaling until I can't pedal. Oh no, that's probably a waiting area for people who want to take the tour bus around the National Monument. Okay, here we go. I will go behind them because they're finished. So that's a waiting area to get on the bus around. I can pedal this little right here is a lot easier than pedaling it. Right here, pedal this thing here. Not bad, not bad. Okay. If I can get my tire pumped up, I might go up to the other area. But it just depends. That's the park tour bus. I don't know too much Indonesian, but I imagine he is telling all the riders that it's time to get off, be careful getting off, and we'll let the new passengers get on too. Much bicycling and walking. At least I put the saddle up. That helps considerably. Is this the entrance through here or the other one? Probably the other one. I'm so grateful that Eugene saw me and pumped up at his other location. He is a dentist. Okay, here we go. We didn't discuss any of my dental work. Not going to either. I said that for aging out. I can't remember anything or anybody. I will probably eventually. Okay, I think that's my exit maybe. Just don't remember. That's okay. I don't have to make it. I just don't remember. That's okay. I've got a bicycle. I can get around. Yeah, I think I did come in that way. We'll go out the same way. There might even be an air pump down here. Okay, back out to the road and it's Sunday, so traffic's kind of light in a lot of places, but in a lot of places it's just very heavy, and I'm doing a lot of lane splitting and weaving. All the things that I say I would never do, I am doing. I'm such a hypocrite about that. But one has to go with the flow, figuratively speaking, because I've seen plenty of people who are going opposite, who are going contraflow. Not me. Haven't done that, not yet anyway. But I've violated other norms. But you gotta do whatever it's gotta do. That's what it is. Okay, let's see if I can see a pump in here anywhere. I don't see any pumps. Those are the rental bikes. See if they're in there. There's a pump down here.